So it is a top and a dress, and it is one of our existing patterns. On this one, I have added 25 centimeters to the length of the dress. You can make it in sleeveless as well, or with different sleeves and different necklines. Sleeveless, short sleeve, 3/4 sleeve, long sleeve. There's high, mid, low, and V neckline. And then you can just make the length to suit you. And it has that awesome tent shape like with this one and the Go With The Flow dress. I have chosen the high neckline and the long sleeve and a midi length. So it is 25 centimeters longer than the dress in the Exhale pattern, which is about 10 inches. Just straight along the bottom. If you're nervous about it, go and read my blog post and I show you exactly what to do. Now, it is easy breezy. Awesome around the house. I would use a light fabric. This is an ITY, so it is very, very stretchy. So you get that awesome drape. Adding a belt. So if your fabric is nice and light, you can easily add a belt to give you that shape, and it won't be bulky. And you can just adjust it however you like. It suits you. I don't have much of a definition in my waist. Back. There is a centre back seam, but you don't have to put one if you don't want to. So that is so just gorgeously relaxed and would do beautifully as an office dress as well, or around the home. This one is a merino wool, so it is warm and very light. Nice and stretchy, and I've done a rib knit at the neckline. This again is the high neck, the long sleeves, and this one I added a little bit more at 30 centimeters. Now I know it looks like a 90, so we can add a sash and have a matching cardi. That's with the cardi. Now, this dress I made when I first made the Exhale top and dress, and a couple of other dresses, so I'm going to show you those now. Okay, next up is the dress. Now I have two dresses to show you. One in a fabric with a body, which is this one. This is a ponte. And the other one is in a very fluid poly jersey fabric, and you'll be able to see the difference and just how versatile this pattern is. So this is a ponte. Now you can see that see how it just wants to have its own shape and not kind of sit down to my body. So if that's the look you're after, then a ponte would be perfect. If it's not, then you need something with more drape, more floppy. So this is totally cute. So again, high neck, sleeveless. Now for this one, this is the short length, and then instead of taking a 1.5 centimeter hem, I took a 5 centimeter hem. So you can adjust the length to suit your body, to suit your legs, to suit the season, the fabric, whatever you want. It is totally up to you. That again is the beauty of sewing. So let's have a look at the other one. Okay, so this is the poly jersey. So you can see how differently it sits to the other one. Fits closer to my body because it flops. So it still has that same shape, but the different fabric makes it a different dress. So this is a maxi dress pattern hack. So it is very full. It's just easy to wear. Throw it on, pair of sneakers or sandals, and walk out the door. And all you need to do is just extend the length of the dress that's already in the pattern. A maxi songbird if you need to cover up a little bit. And then if you need to add a bit more shape, we have added a sash to the tutorial. And it just adds that little bit of shape that you might want. And another sleeveless maxi pattern hack. And you can just see by adding a belt just how versatile the whole thing becomes. And you will get 30% off the exhale dress, again, just for our pattern release period. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the group.